Well, wasn't that something?
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing... Honestly, I don't even know how to explain this, but basically, I'm going to be doing a Christmas look just because now that Thanksgiving is over, I'm ready for Christmas.
Happy Christmas. It's Christmas. Merry Crisis. Merry Chrysler.
Christmas could not come any faster.
What the fuck?
But I didn't want to just do a Christmas look, so I wanted to like switch it up a little bit, and I've been wanting to do the no mirror makeup challenge. So right now I'm gonna do the right side of my face with a mirror so that I have something to compare the aftermath of the no mirror makeup challenge. Does that make sense? Half my face I'm going to be doing with a mirror, the other half I'm going to be doing without a mirror. And I'm going to be doing a pretty, I mean, it's not super complicated, but it's definitely not the easiest. So if you want to watch me do half my face with no mirror, or if you just want to learn how to do this eye look that I'm going to be doing, then keep on watching. First, I'm going to start with priming my lid. Oh dang, I didn't do my eyebrows. So I'm just going to do some quick feathery eyebrows. I'm going to start off with a light lime green shade. Whatever light green or yellow you have will work. Then I'm going to go in with a slightly darker green. It's not quite lime, but it's still a light green. And I'm going to put this right in my crease. My brushes are clean, by the way, they're just stained. I'm keeping this pretty low in my crease. And then I'm going in with the green from the e.l.f. Mad for Mattes palette in Jewel Pop. And I'm going to put this dark green as low as possible in my crease. Okay, now I'm going to cut the crease halfway. Then I'm going to go into this Wet n Wild palette in Hooked on Vinyl, and I'm going to use the base shade to set that concealer. Okay, then I'm going to take some NYX's Soft Matte Lip Cream. I cannot talk today.
Wow.
In Amsterdam. Before it sets, I'm going to go in with some red eyeshadow and pack that over top. Okay guys, I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera, and hopefully by the time I get back, the lighting will be better. I might come back with lashes and stuff on, so yeah, stick around for the no mirror side. I'm really nervous. Okay guys, so I finished this half on my face, and now we're gonna do this side. I'm gonna put this mirror away. I'm gonna put it over here, face down, so I can't see it. And I'm gonna do this side with no mirror. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna prime my eyelid. Oh, I gotta do my brows first. This is so weird. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna kind of be like looking off into the distance. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Oh, this is so much harder than I thought it would be. I always, whenever I'd watch other people's, I'd be like, oh, that is not as hard as it seems. They're just being extra. No, this is hard. I'm scared to do my brows. I don't know if I'm even doing anything. I picked the worst eyebrow for this step because this eyebrow has a bald spot and I don't know if I'm filling it or not. Okay, that's the best we're gonna get with the brow. I'm not even gonna spend too much time on it because there's no way I'm gonna get it perfect. So now I'm gonna go in and prime with my concealer. Same steps as before, and here we go. I can't talk while I do this. I'm concentrating so hard. And this is just the transition. Oh my gosh. I'm never gonna be able to do a cut crease. Now I'm deepening up the crease. I am worried about the cut crease though. Okay, now I'm gonna go lower in my crease with this dark green. Oh man. Oh man. This is not right. This does not feel right. And also I'm trying not to make eye contact with the camera because I can see the reflection in my phone case. So, I mean, I can't see much of my reflection, but it's there and I don't want to cheat in any kind of way, so. That's why I'm facing this way. Okay. This is so weird. Oh my gosh, I can't do this. I can't. Okay. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, right there, right there.
What the fuck?
He needs some milk.
There. That's it. I've done it, and I don't know if I've actually done it. Now, I'm gonna go in with this white base that I did before. I can't even talk because I'm just like so concentrated. I don't know if I'm getting close to the line, but I'm just gonna go for it. I go back in with some more of that green, tap it on the outer corner. Then I'm going to go in with some of that light greens and tap between that line, that dark line, and that light line to help blend. What am I even talking about? I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying right now. Now I'm going to go in and do some red liner, and I'm going to try and do a wing and try and do it similarly to this one. I don't remember what this one looks like. Let's just do this. Oh man, that was scary. I shouldn't have lifted my brush because now I don't know where that line is. Okay.
What is that?
Damn, I keep lifting my brush. This is so much harder than it looks. I don't know what I just did. I don't know why I did that. I never do my liner like that. Okay. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, I'm hoping I can clean up the liner with like some concealer or something. Okay. Wait, did I do the inner corner? I don't know. Okay, that's it. That's it. I'm done. I'm done with the liner. I'm not gonna stress. I'm not gonna overthink it. I know it's not good. Now I'm gonna go in and do the glitter liner detail. Okay. I have to do it on the cut crease, the line of the cut crease, but I don't know where that is. I don't know where to start. Oh no, that was not good. That was not good at all. Okay. Not putting on a whole lot because I'm going to be putting on lashes. That actually wasn't that bad. That wasn't that hard. Okay. Okay, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in cream beige, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face like I normally would. And then just gonna go and blend this out. This isn't that hard. I could do this in my sleep. That's as blended as I think it's gonna get. Now I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in medium 20 and conceal. That didn't feel right at all. I'm hoping this part turns out not too bad, just because I feel like this isn't that hard, you know? I feel like the eyeshadow was the hardest part. Okay, and then before that sets, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the banana shade and set under my eyes and the rest of my face. Now I'm gonna go in and contour and blush, kind of do a little bit of the same thing at the same time with the same brush. Hope I didn't go in too heavy, because man, would that be a mistake. Okay, that's it. That's it. I'm not going super crazy because I want this to look good, and I feel like if I do too much, then, except for highlight, I feel like you can never do too much highlight. I just gotta make sure I place it right here. Yeah, right there. I do my makeup so much, I pretty much have my face memorized, like where things are supposed to go. It's just like the fact of blending and putting maybe too much product or not enough and not knowing. So put some of that green under the lash line. This isn't that hard or that scary because I do this anyway, so I just usually check a mirror before, you know, moving on to blending to make sure I placed it right. I'm scared for my eyelashes because I can't put them on properly even with a mirror without getting my lashes all cut up in them, so here we go. Dude, this is so sketch. Oh man. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. And there go my lashes. There go my natural lashes. Odd placement. Oh, ouch. Yep, that's gonna be a pain in the ass to take off. That's it. I'm leaving them alone. I'm leaving them alone. That's it. It's done. That's it. Okay, lips is next and last. Gloss from Color Essence. This is the Lip Shine in Scarlet. I really like this because it's like a reddish kind of gloss. I'm gonna put some of this red underneath, just a little bit, because I want this lip to be more red than anything, and this can kind of come off as like a brownish burgundy red kind of, so let's just go ahead and put this on top. Why am I trying to overline right now? Ugh, this lip gloss stinks. I think I'm ready to look. It might be like a 6.5, 7 overall. But yeah, let's just look. Oh, that liner though, that is some that is some liner. That is some liner you got there, girl. Wow. This is oh, look at that overline job though. Oh my god. Oh my god. Well, this brow is atrocious. Oh my gosh. Completely just went way too far in. The lashes are... they're a hot mess. Trash. Trash. Garbage. Garbage. Trash. Okay, I'm gonna take these off because they're low-key irritating me. Like, I can't. I think overall, now that I've actually looked at it, I think it's like a 6. I think I was pretty on it. The eye makeup is like a 4. Yeah, and then the lip line is like a 3 out of 10. By the way, that's out of 10. Wow. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I definitely did. I had fun doing this side of my face. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please be sure to show that love and leave a like. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!